Hey folks, I'm William McKenzie, and today is the setup for World of Wheels. It starts tomorrow. I believe it's somewhere around noon it starts, and so I'm just walking around, and I'll show all the cars that are everywhere. So yeah, as you could see, there is very nice cars here. And there are some booths. There's even motorcycles over there. There's a lot of people who are setting up. And yeah, so if you just look, there's a bunch of nice polished up cars. There's Veterans Alliance for veterans and stuff like that. And yeah, it's just going really well. You should come out to World of Wheels, which is happening from Friday to maybe Sunday. I'll check that out. Keep on trucking.